Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you on how to fix Windows updates on Windows 11. You might see several types of errors while updating your Windows 11. All types of errors can be fixed using this video. Let me proceed. First, click on the Start button, then select Settings. If Settings is not available here, type Settings. Then click on Settings app. Then select System left side. Then click on Troubleshoot on the right. Then click Other troubleshooters. Here beside Windows Update, click on the Run button. This will automatically detect problem and fix it. Once troubleshooting is completed, close this window and restart your PC. This should fix your Windows 11 update issues. If it does not help, again click on the Start button. Here type Notepad. Then click on Notepad app. Then copy and paste commands from this video description. You can copy it from this video description. Now click on the file, select Save As, select any location such as desktop, name the file such as Windows 11 fix and put the extension .bat. Then click the Save As type drop down menu and select all files. Click on the Save button. Close this notepad file. You will see a bash file. Right click on it. Select Run as Administrator. Click the Yes button when user account control prompts. This will restart several services on your PC. When it prompts, type Y and press enter. Let it complete. Then you need to restart your PC once this window gets closed. After that, Windows update issues should be fixed on your PC. Thank you.
Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.